Hello again, and welcome to the final video in our series on the stock project. In this one, we'll look at the price target section, this last paragraph. Based on all your analysis, provide a 12-month price target, right? So people sometimes ask, is there some sort of equation I use to plug numbers in to come up with the answer for this? And the answer is no, not really. So what you need to do is, given all the analysis you've done in the sections above, what you've learned about the industry, what you've learned about in terms of ratio analysis, looking at your stock valuation models, and anything else, right? What do you think the price is going to be of your firm's stock in 1 year? So it's subjective. There's no one right or wrong way to do it, but as long as you provide a price target and then can justify it based on some of the work you've done, right? So provide something to support your price target based on the work that you've done above, you'll be fine there. So I look forward to seeing what you come up with on that front. If you have questions about the project, of course, feel free to get in touch. Thanks for tuning in.